All right, in this video, this is going to be talking about creating text templates in IQDIAL. So as you see, we're on our main screen here in our dashboard. So we're going to go into, we hover over contacts. You're going to go down to text templates. All right. And here you can see we already have a few text templates already in here for our different buyers. But we want to add in some new. So we're going to go here to add new. And as you can see, it has all these pre-made little tags in here that you can put in to pull information out of your contact. So, so what we're going to do is title it our first one. And the first one that we're going to be doing is just going to be our text messages. The matter of fact, before we do that, let's just go back. I already got some pulled up. So these are text messages that we have pulled up from our Gmail, Google Sheets, and we'll do another video on that one. But this is all we have a bunch of different messages in here, and as you can see, these are formatted. It has the property address, it has that little tag there, here. You can see where it has that right there, the property address. You see how it has company names, and it has all these different ones that are pointed out with the little whatever those little things are called. And that is what you use to make sure that they match up to these. So let's go in here and pull out one. Let's just go with a message. We're going to go with, just for the sake of things, I wanted to offer you a great deal on home. No need for agents. You'll get money directly and without waiting, risking. Let's jump on a call tonight. All right, so I'm going to use this one. It's called alternative message. So I'm going to highlight this thing. Copy. Go in here. And I'm going to put that in there. So now we have it in there basically. And I'm going to put share. Of course, I'm going to put it with my VA so she can have access to it. And this was called an alternate message. Alternate message. We're just going to put one. And the reason why this one's called an alternate message, because it doesn't have, you notice it doesn't have any spinners in here. These are what we call spinners for another platform we use. You have these in brackets, different names you can use. Like it says, I've been on the lookout for a house, home, or a place like yours, and in that area. And so I'll be able to buy directly outright as is. So, it doesn't have those in there. It doesn't have any first name that you can put in there. It doesn't have that. It just has just a straight message and then just my name left over. So that's why we call it an alternative message. So with that, we can just go and go back over here. Now, if we wanted to, say, hi, such and such, I can do it like this. Hi, first name, and see, you notice is that it has it in quotations. That's how this one sets it apart. And you notice right after that, I'm gonna put that space in there to make sure that that first name stands out. Hi, first name. Wanted to offer you a great deal for your home. No need for agents. Blah blah blah. And that's our alternative message. So it's not really alternative message because it doesn't have a name in it. So alternative message really means it has a name. So we're going to take that out and just leave it as is. I just wanted to show you how that works. So alternative message one, save. So as you can see, it put it in there, alternative message one, and it shows who I can share it with. So let's get one with the other ones in there with the little spinners. That's what we call them. All right, so go back to our videos. Our text. Okay. Let's see. Let's pick one. We're gonna go with this one right here. Message one. This is saying money worries. like as if they got money worries, but really, we can't really, you know what, I'm not going to use that one because we don't know if they got money worries or not. I'm not going to use that one. So let's see. I'm going to go with this one. And copy. And this one was, whoops, this one was investor with money to spend. So, investor with money to spend, message one. Okay. With money. I'm just going to shortcut that and put with money to spend one. All right. Of course, we're going to share with the VA, make sure she can see it. So, we're going to copy, paste. Now, you notice how it has the first name here? Since we can't do our first name like that, we're going to take it and highlight it and do it like that. Well, I'll take it out. Okay. And then, you know, this spinner in here, we can use either one of these. This just gives us a different name, a different lit message. So we can say, I'd love to propose an offer for your house. I'd love to initiate, draw up an offer. The funds are sent, are ready to send. So we can make this message literally 3, 4, 5 different type of messages. We use each one of these with each one of those. That one message turns into numerous messages. So we're just gonna go with I'd like to propose. We're just gonna go propose. Just make it easy for right now. Propose one. The funds are ready to deposit. Make sure you take all the stuff off of it. Let me know, John. There we go. Now we have one in there, and that's saved. And that's basically how we do it. And so now you see we got both of them in there, and we'll list them with, you know, the topic of it. We use the topic of whatever it is, like this one, money to spend. And then you have message 1, 2, 3, 4, then alternative message. So we'll use whatever this topic is right here for that template, just like you got down here, absentee or vacant, message 1, 2, 3, or 4, alternative. And then also this one, now we don't have to worry about the AT&T ones because for this particular software, it doesn't have to worry about that. So we don't have to worry about that. So go back over here. So we just know that when we put it in there, we have a title and here's our content. So that's how we do our messages, our text messages, and making new ones.